Hey Dyers, welcome back to the channel. Today we're fixing a classic problem, a leaky Delta Waltec to handle faucet. Whether it's in your laundry room or bathroom, I'll show you exactly how to fix it step by step and save money doing it yourself. Tools and materials, pliers or adjustable wrench, flathead and Phillips screwdrivers, utility knife, 5/16 Allen hex key, Teflon tape. 1 or 2 new cartridges, replace both if you can. New faucet seats, this is crucial. I'll show why. Step 1. Turn off water and drain. Let's start by turning off the hot and cold valves under the sink. If you don't have shut-off valves, turn off your home's main water supply. Then open both handles fully to release any pressure or leftover water. Step 2. Remove handles. Use a flathead screwdriver or utility knife to gently pop off the decorative caps. Remove the screws underneath, then lift the handles straight off. Step 3. Remove old cartridges. With your wrench, turn the cartridge counterclockwise to loosen, unscrew it by hand and pull it out. You'll likely see a worn washer at the bottom, one of the main causes of leaks. Step 4. Remove and replace brass seats. Insert your 5/16 Allen key into the faucet body to unscrew the brass seat counterclockwise. Once loose, pull it out with the wrench or needle nose pliers. Wrap the new seat's threads with 1 to 2 turns of Teflon tape. Not too much, just enough to seal. Trim any excess tape clean with a utility knife. Now screw in the new seat clockwise until snug. Repeat the same for the other side. Step 5. Install new cartridges. Before installing, turn the stem of your new cartridge to the fully open position. For the hot side, that's counterclockwise until it stops. Drop the cartridge into place and tighten it clockwise, using your wrench on the hex base, only don't twist the stem. Do the same for the cold side, but if you have lever handles, use cartridge 96101 for the cold, which rotates in reverse. Step 6. Reattach handles. Drop the handles onto the cartridge splines. For lever handles, align them properly so they sit flat when turned off. Tighten the screws firmly, but not overly tight, and snap the red and blue caps back on. Hot goes on the left, cold on the right. Step 7. Final check. Now, turn the water back on and test everything out. Make sure the handles turn smoothly and there are no leaks. And that's it. Your Delta Waltec faucet is back in business. Thanks so much for watching. If this helped you out, give it a like, drop a comment if you have questions, and don't forget to subscribe for more DIY plumbing tips right here on the channel. See you next time.